Before cutting the drink tube to install the filter, verify that the tube's inner diameter is 1/4 inch, 6.35 millimeters. The barbed quick connect fittings that came with your filter are designed only for 1/4 inch tubing. Choose where along the drink tube you want to install the filter. Ensure that the tube won't kink when wearing the pack. With a pen, mark the lowest point of the filter closest to the reservoir. Cut there. Attach the barbed quick connect fittings to the filter. Position the filter with the arrow pointing toward the bite valve. Plug the barbed fittings into the drink tubes to install the filter. Using a little rubbing alcohol can help insert the fittings. Before your first use, you'll need to flush the filter of loose carbon dust, which is harmless but doesn't taste very good. Hold the bite valve below the reservoir and pinch to flush until the water is clear. Open the bite valve and drink. Make sure to disinfect the hydration reservoir and drink tube before using them again to carry clean water. Failure to disinfect them can lead to illness.